second application is going to be on subtractor. Again we are going to do from 2-bit slowly increase to 3-bit. Half subtractor, it's a 2-bit information. Here the information difference is going to be the out on the truth table as AB input 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, so you will have two inputs AB, the sum, borrow and difference. That is what is D and B. D is difference, B is borrow. 0 0 output is 0 0. 0 1, you 0 1 if you minus, what will be the answer? It will be 0 1. Cannot be minused. So you will make a borrow. You will make a borrow here. And the difference is 10 minus 1. The answer is 1. Therefore you will get 1 1. 1 0 if you minus, directly you can do it. Therefore difference is 0, borrow is 0. 1 1, difference is 0, borrow 0. Now you write down the K map for difference. K map for difference is A bar B plus A B bar. Okay, difference K map. So the answer is exclusively OR gate. For borrow you do the K map. Answer is A bar B. A bar B. If you do the K map, it will be like this one. So draw the circuit. Implementation using logical gates. So A, B both inputs, exclusively OR gate. Similarly, it is A, put a NOT gate first, become a A bar, then multiply it with AND gate. This is borrow, difference and borrow. Slightly we move on to the 3-bit information, full subtractor. So it is 3-bit A, B, borrow in. You have borrowed already, then you have to go to create an output of difference out, borrow out. So again the truth table is a 3-bit truth table. I told you condition of 0 borrow in, 1 borrow in. Input is 0 0 both the ways. Again combination of 0 1 0 1. For borrow in 0, for borrow in 1. Similarly 1 0 of 0 input, 1 0 of 1 borrow in. 1 1 of 0 borrow in, 1 1 of 1 borrow in. Again work out the same thing, 0 0 0 difference. 0 0 minus 1. So if I do it, what will happen? I have to borrow one time, then I'll have the difference, 10 minus 1, 1. So do the subtraction, it's a generalized subtraction. So 0 minus 1, I have to borrow first, then 10 minus 1, 1. If I do it over here, 1 minus 1, 0 minus 1, I'll borrow. Okay, so I'll borrow here, then I will have 10 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0 differences. Similarly come here, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0 0. Similarly 1 minus 1, 0, 0 minus 0, 0 0. You come here, 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus 1. You have to borrow. Again 10 minus 1, 1 is the answer. Okay. Now you find out the K map for difference out, for borrow out. So difference and borrow out. See, it's a 3-input K map. So B in is one side, A B is another side. Do the K mapping, 3-variable K mapping. All 4 ones are individual. So write down the equation. First equation is, I have written it as first equation B bar in A bar B. B bar in A bar B. Second equation B bar in A B bar. Third equation B in A bar B bar. Fourth equation B in A B. Okay. So common term is B in. B in as a common term. It's an exclusively NOR gate. Convert this exclusive NOR gate into exclusively OR gate. Similarly, B bar is common. This becomes exclusively OR gate. Now you see the function exclusively OR. Again B and B bar. This is B bar. This is B bar. Okay. So exclusively OR gate. Therefore, the combination will become A exclusively OR B. Again exclusively OR with B in. This is difference out. Next you need to find the same thing. Use the K mapping to find out the thing. So two adjacent ones are clubbed together. So answer will become B in A bar. B in A bar first one. Second one B in B. B in B. Third equation A bar B. Okay. Draw the thing exclusively OR for 3 inputs. Then you have NOT gate to be introduced for bars, 3 AND gates and 3 input, 1 OR gate. So difference out, borrow out. Again you can design this full subtractor using 2 half subtractors. So 2 half subtractors we know, A B bar, A exclusively with B, A bar B. This is difference, this is borrow. Okay, in that condition, one half subtractor is over. So second half subtractor you need to multiply with B in, exclusively OR. So you produce a third input here and you're doing an exclusively operation for your previous output, A, B bar. Third input is exclusively OR. So the answer is going to be A exclusively B from your previous condition of your half subtractor, and third input is exclusively OR. So the difference is A exclusively OR with B in. Next condition for borrow, it is A bar B is only one subtractor, half subtractor output. Then you have to do this combination. Okay, so you're going to have first carry. Okay, so first different borrow, you're going to take it from a first half subtractor. For second half subtractor, you're doing the combination B in. Okay, B in exclusively and of information. So you're getting an exclusive OR, put a NOT gate, exclusive OR, put a NOT gate. Okay, then you multiply with B in, so it'll become this operation and it, then you'll get your output information. So this is multiplied with your previous carry over here. So A by bar plus exclusively OR operation of your circuit, exclusively OR operation of your circuit. That is your borrow. Okay, so this is how we went by using two half subtractors we can design the circuits. Only one thing, your extension part you have to multiply with the necessary gates and do this operation. Thank you.